Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to mark all messages as read in iPhone iOS 16. Let's have a look. First, open Messages app on your iPhone. Tap three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap Select Messages. Then tap Read All in the bottom left corner of the screen. That's it. All messages mark as read. Another way you can mark all messages as read in iOS 16. First, open Messages app. Tap Edit button, three dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Then tap Select Messages. Select and drag a finger across the message you want to mark as read. Drag down to select an entire row. Then tap Read in the bottom left corner of the screen. That's it. These are the steps to mark all messages as read in iPhone iOS 16. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.